Everybody, I'm standing here with the fabulous Philip Witcher of the The Network. Wow. Tell them a little bit about your network.
So Advance the Network is a professional development organization with a focus on helping professionals to get the tools necessary for success. So we help with LinkedIn enhancement, we help with resumes, we help with just a number of different things, salary negotiation, kind of understanding your place in the market. So all those things we help with, but we also do free workshops where today's workshop was a focus on networking. We're also going to do one with a focus on helping people to make career transitions. So it's a number of different things we offer.
Awesome. I'm so excited. I came to the networking event today and I'm leaving today with about 5 amazing tips. Yes. So I can't wait to share them with you guys.
Hey, don't forget those people that you connected with too.
I will, y'all. Down here, getting it cracking.
Advance the Network, 979 The Beat. We're coalescing. We're going to get this network going, y'all. You need to come to the next workshop. I don't know what it's going to be, but you got to follow us on Advance the Network on all social media. Let's get it.
Woohoo! Love it. It was awesome, y'all.